Do you like burgers? We bet that you have never tasted a burger like this one. We made a giant soft squishy burger. How? Find out in our new video. There is a new apprentice in Miss Gonzalez's kitchen. A young kitchen girl will be trained by our genius chef. Too bad she doesn't know the first thing about cooking. And it's the first time she's ever seen a whisk. Lesson 1. Miss Gonzalez is showing her how to knead dough. But the moment she turns away, the kitchen girl turns the dough into a huge foam rubber circle by just snapping her fingers. Miss Gonzalez can't believe her eyes. This must be the bottom part of a burger bun, but it's very soft. Squeezing it is so satisfying. Miss Gonzalez measures it and tries to come up with a way to fit this bun into an oven. It seems that it won't fit. And meanwhile, the kitchen girl is already pouring out beige paint. Now we will make the bun look baked. Coat memory foam with beige rubber paint. Miss Gonzalez is surprised by her trainee's methods. We paint the bun instead of baking it. The kitchen girl also has a brush for Miss Gonzalez. Doing it together is faster and much more fun. And the result is nice. This is exactly how you make a squishy bun. It's so soft and puffy. And here's the other half. Miss Gonzalez is covered with a layer of foam rubber. The kitchen girl assures her that she has nothing to do with this. And how do we make this foam rubber look like a pastry? Our apprentice has some scissors. Let's get to work. Cut off the edges of the memory foam, shaping it into the top part of a burger bun. At least Miss Gonzalez has an assistant. She wouldn't be able to cope with this amount of work on her own for sure. There you go. Now our squishy looks like an actual bun. We just have to make it look baked. Miss Gonzalez goes to get some paint, and the kitchen girl uses her own methods. The kitchen girl makes the squishy look like an actual bun with just one flick of her wrist. Miss Gonzalez is amazed by how quick the kitchen girl is, but this bun could do with some crust. Let's make the crust on our squishy more brown using darker shades of rubber paint. Miss Gonzalez and the kitchen girl apply paint with sponges. The crust on the bun becomes brown right before our eyes. Let's show our squishy masterpiece to the best food critic in the entire world. Unicorn doesn't know yet that a soft miracle awaits her. Wow! This is the biggest and softest bun in the world. It's a pastry queen. You can even make a home inside it. Miss Gonzalez and the kitchen girl come back to the kitchen and find a new squishy product. This must be a raw burger patty. We just have to fry it. Oops! we have to paint it. Coat a big memory foam circle with brown rubber paint. Not only our patty changes its color, the kitchen girl's hair changes color too. It seems a bit strange, but anything can happen in our magical kitchen. The kitchen girl sneezes all of a sudden. The squishy patty and Miss Gonzalez are covered with glitter. This is so weird. Miss Gonzalez thinks that this shine and the hair color are suspiciously familiar. But the bun is waiting for its patty. Let's go! Miss Gonzalez and the kitchen girl bring in the great squishy patty. Our trainee tries so hard that her cap falls off. Aha! Now I see what's going on. This is our old friend, Fairy. It makes sense now. All of the miracles that happened in the kitchen do not seem to be just a coincidence. Now I understand whose work it is. Fairy goes back to her original look, and she can openly do magic now. What would you like me to do? Unicorn wants more ingredients in this burger. That's easy. Fairy conjures a lettuce leaf. Fold a big soft foam sheet in half. Draw half of a lettuce leaf. Cut it out and unfold the soft foam sheet. Carefully heat it over an iron. Stretch out the end so that it looks like an actual lettuce leaf. Paint the stem and veins on the leaf with acrylic paint. Make a few pieces. There you go! giant lettuce will perfectly complete our squishy bun and patty. We can assemble the burger. Hold on! Unicorn thinks that lettuce is not enough. She wants something more interesting, and it should have holes. Simple! Take a big square piece of a foam rubber sheet and cut out round holes in it. Make it look like a slice of cheese. Coat it with orange rubber paint. You can take a look at the world of cheese through these holes. This huge slice of cheese turns our squishy burger into a soft cheeseburger. Now that's what we call cooking magic. And what if we come up with something else that's interesting? Fairy has an idea. She throws squishy onion rings and squishy cucumbers to Unicorn and Miss Gonzalez like a magician. Hot glue a foam polyethylene rod to make a big ring. Coat the outside part with purple rubber paint. Make a few giant squishy onion rings. Wow! It turns out that you can have a lot of fun with these giant onion rings. Miss Gonzalez will be the winner of this onion contest. And the soft cucumbers are like the holy grail for any chef. They are a nice decoration for our squishy burger. Cut out a cucumber slice from memory foam. Shape it like a lumpy circle. Cover it with rubber paints so that it looks like a cucumber slice. Paint a dark peel and the iconic center. Make 3 cucumber slices. You can squeeze these big cucumber slices with your hands. It's an amazing and healthy stress reliever. Put them and the onion rings onto the burger. And Fairy has already brought the next ingredient. It's a giant piece of bacon. Except that this bacon is not crispy, it's gentle and squishy. Draw waves on a rectangular piece of foam rubber. Cut the long sides following the waves and color it with rubber paint. Interchange dark and light brown shades. Make it look like a piece of bacon. Coat the strips with the neighboring color and define the bacon veins with a lighter color. Make a few pieces of soft bacon. You can squeeze, bend, and twist this giant bacon. Plus, it looks so mouth-watering that Unicorn wants to bite it. Squishies are not edible. We should just add one more layer of meat to our super burger. Now it's almost done. All of a sudden, a squishy rain falls on Unicorn, Miss Gonzalez, and Fairy. But it's not a simple rain, it's a tomato rain. Cut a big circle out of memory foam. Coat it with red rubber paint using a sponge. Paint the tomato slices inside using a lighter shade. Paint the sides with a darker color and add seeds with yellow paint. These bright red squishy tomatoes are soft and bouncy. It's so much fun playing with them. And now we put the tomato slices into the burger over the bacon and cover it with the bun. It seems that our squishy burger is finally ready. But Fairy is a real magician, even when it comes to cooking. Fairy covers the bun with sesame seeds by lightly blowing at it. Take thin beige felt and cut a drop-shaped seed out of it. Make a few sesame seeds. Now the squishy burger is all done. We can almost see tears of joy in Unicorn's eyes. She will never part with her burger. It's her new bestie from now on. This royal burger is too big for her hands. It can be a pillow, a mattress, and even a trampoline all at the same time. Or a slide. Whatever your heart desires. You can play it like drums. Happy Unicorn will find 100 ways to use her new squishy burger. But one thing is sure, this is the big squishy love of her life. Did you like our giant squishy burger? Then write in the comments what foods you would like to turn into a giant squishy. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new giant squishies on Troom Troom.